Winterizing your pond, a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and practical topic: winterizing the pond. This process is crucial for maintaining a healthy pond environment, especially in regions where winter brings freezing temperatures. If you're curious about how to prepare your pond for the cold months, you're in the right place. Let's dive into what winterizing entails and why it's so important. Winterizing a pond involves preparing it for the colder months to ensure the survival of aquatic life and to maintain water quality. This process is essential because, in winter, ponds can freeze over, which can lead to a lack of oxygen and harmful conditions for fish and plants. Winterizing is all about taking proactive steps to protect the ecosystem within your pond. 2.1. Cleaning the pond. Begin by removing any debris, such as leaves and twigs, from the water. This reduces the risk of decay, which can deplete oxygen levels and release harmful gases. Cleaning the pond helps to keep the water clear and prevents the buildup of toxic substances. 2.2. Adjusting the water level. It's important to adjust the water level if necessary. Lowering the water level can prevent the pond from overflowing due to rain or snowmelt, while also ensuring that the pond has enough depth to keep fish safe from freezing temperatures. 2.3. Installing a pond heater or de-icer. A pond heater or de-icer is vital to keep a part of the pond surface from freezing completely. This opening allows for gas exchange, ensuring that harmful gases can escape and oxygen can enter the water, crucial for the survival of fish and beneficial bacteria. 2.4. Caring for pond life. Consider the needs of your fish and plants. Some fish may need to be moved indoors or to a deeper part of the pond where the water won't freeze. Plants may need to be pruned or moved to protect them from the cold. Winterizing is not just about protecting the physical aspects of the pond. It's also about safeguarding the living components within it. By taking these steps, you can prevent fish loss, promote healthy plant life, and avoid the buildup of harmful substances. A well-winterized pond is more likely to thrive come spring, with clear water and a healthy ecosystem. We hope this guide helps you understand the importance of winterizing your pond and gives you the knowledge to do it effectively. Remember, a little effort in preparing your pond for winter can make a big difference in maintaining its health and beauty all year round. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in caring for your pond this winter.